All right, we're on our last family member. The 11ths and 12ths have some tricks to them too, but we're just going to go to the 10ths. And the 10ths are just like the 9ths, except they do not repeat. There are 10 members. We have 1/10. Okay, that's a little thick. Let's try to lower that down. Let me get that down. All right, there we go. There's 1/10. There's 2/10. There's 3/10. There's 4/10. There's 5/10. There is 6/10. 7/10. There's 8/10. There is 9/10. And then there is me. I've been in every family member because I'm not a common fraction. 10 divided by 10 is, I'm number 1. And to make this into a percent, multiply by 100 or move the decimal, make 2 butt cheeks to the right, which makes it 100%. Now, again, just like with any other family member, is there any family members that we have gone through that would go into the 10ths family evenly? And yes, there's the seconds, which the only one in the seconds is the half. Where's the half? That would be 5/10. But again, just like the rules with the 9s, just take the numerator, and that's your decimal, except the 9ths repeat, the 10ths do not. And that makes that 50%. What else goes? Thirds? No. Fourths? No. Fifths? Yes. There's 1/5, there's 2/5, there's 3/5, there's 4/5. The fifths. And where is 1/5? That don't even look like a fifth. The fifths. Well, here's 1/5. But then again, it's just easier to take the numerator and make it your decimal. 2/10. Move the butt cheek twice. That makes 20%. 4/10 is really 2/10. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. But, better yet, just take the numerator and make it your decimal. And 4/10, move the butt cheek twice or multiply by 100, and you get 40%. Then we have 3/5, which will be 6/10. So that's 3/5, because 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Again, just take the numerator and make it your decimal. 6/10. 3/5, you just multiply by 2. That still gives you 6. 6/10. Move the butt cheek to the right twice, meaning you multiply by 100, and you get 60%. And last would be the even. Obviously, these are all the even numbers of the fifths. This would be 4/5. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So there's your 4/5. Or, again, just take the numerator and make it your decimal. 8/10. Move the butt cheek to the right 2 places or multiply by 100, and you get 80%. Well, let's go back to the odd ones. Well, 1/10 is 1/10. Move the butt cheek to the right twice. That gives you 10%. 3/10 is 3/10. That's 0.3. Move the decimal to the right twice, or make two butt cheeks to the right, and that gives you 30%. 7/10 is 7/10. And move the butt cheek to the right twice, and that makes that 70%. 9/10. How do you write 9/10 as a decimal? Decimal with a 9. That's 9/10. Move the butt cheeks to the right twice, and that gives you 90%. Easy cheesy, nice and easy, I think. Isn't that a saying? Oh well, there's the 10th's family. I'm out of here.